My name is Mohamad Za'frany and I'm from Egypt, and I'm an odontist. My topic today was about management of interconnected instruments, and we give a lecture on how to manage broken files, how to bypass, and how to retrieve, along with many tips and tricks to manage this difficult situation. It's second time for me to lecture in AEEDC, and I'm very happy that last year I won the prize for best speaker in the conference. Actually, I'm attending AEEDC for 10 years. I'm coming yearly to attend the AEEDC because too much of lectures and exhibition is very big. It's the biggest in the region. So for me, it's a must to be here every year. And every year, I can see a lot of improvement. Organization of AEEDC is the best in terms of arranging our visit, in terms of arranging accommodation and transportation, and even for the scientific content and management, it's the best.